company's called Seren Foods, so we're a small family business. My husband is the main focus of the business. He just wheels me out to help at food festivals. To actually determine which is the most successful way for us as a small business of specialised products, how we're going to sell them. Pear and Pernod jelly, and we got a gold standard award from the Good Food show, which was fantastic. That was brilliant for us. Be focused on where you want to sell your product and try and understand whether or not the product that you're selling is fit for the area that you're putting it into, so pitch yourself properly. Started with support that was provided through a programme that the Welsh Government funded, and the support was provided by Wrexham Council. They delivered a business support programme for many years. Be focused, be proud of your product and be proud of your price. Alan Sugar, because he's all of those things. He might say it the way it is, but that's how it has to be if you're going to be successful, and you have to take things that aren't particularly nice as well as the things that are particularly nice. Probably understand your market, understand your customer, and remember that customer service is a thing that will encourage people to come back to you.